Let's keep that conversation going with Dr. D. Sivananda Pai. He's the head of climate research and services at the IMD to talk a little bit more about what the weather could be like. Thank you for joining in. So, break it down for us. How hot is it really going to be like for the summer?
See, generally, we know that climatologically we experience heat waves from March to July. And if you see that April to June is the 3 months when the highest number of heat waves are experienced. And this is also the time when the temperature becomes maximum, climatologically. Now, this year, as per the IMD multimodal coupled model forecast, it shows that most parts of the country are likely to experience above normal temperature during the season, April to June, as well as April, except a few areas of Northeast and some pockets of northern Northwest India and along the West Coast. Otherwise, almost all parts of the country we are likely to get above normal, both maximum as well as minimum temperatures. And coming to rainfall, we have given forecast only for April month. Generally, this is the generally that we do every month. We give a rainfall forecast for the next month. Only for the monsoon season, we give for entire season forecast. So, as per our forecast, during April, rainfall is likely to be above normal over north, northwest, and central parts of the country. However, you should understand that these parts during April, generally climatologically, we receive very less rain. So, however, we are likely to get more than what we generally receive.
Right. Also, Mr. Pai, Minister Kiren Rijiju also said that India must brace for extreme weather conditions. Could you elaborate a little bit? What exactly does he mean by these extremities?
See, once we say that, this is being an El Nino year, generally El Nino year, it has been seen that we get above normal temperature. So when you have a temperatures are likely to be above normal, we also likely to experience above normal heat wave days over most parts of the country. So that today's our forecast also indicated that. And already, that, many areas, there is a groundwater shortage also there. And, there can be water issues can come. And whenever temperature is also high, during the pre-monsoon time, we can get significant thunderstorm activity over peninsular India and Northeast India. And since after El Nino, when thunderstorm activity means that there can be lightning, there can be extreme rainfall in some days. At the same time, in between that, there can be large time when the temperature will be more, and we may get experience, drought-like situation. So there may be shortage of water in the field actually. So all this can be experienced due to high temperatures.
So, are you seeing any impact significantly on agriculture? Which crops do you believe could be impacted?
See, with our interaction with the agriculture, specialist, we understand that in most parts of the country, the wheat crops, harvesting many parts like MP, 90% is harvesting is over, and only state like Haryana, Punjab, in that West UP, etc., UP, etc. There within 10 to 15 days, harvesting will be done. And at this stage, they are a matured stage actually. So therefore, they say that there will not be much impact of temperature on the wheat crop. That. However, in the coming season, during April, May, June, we can experience a lot of water stress because of the high temperature. So wherever irrigation facility is not there, there can be water stress can be experienced.
Right, Mr. Pai, great to have you today on the show. Thank you so much for taking the time out and joining in.